We begin with this morning's top story, bracing for a behemoth of a blizzard. This weekend, more than 25 million people are under winter weather alerts as the potentially record-breaking monster storm wallops the West.
Welcome back to Fodra Adventure Crew. My name is Voss, and today we are going to explore some of the backcountry roads. We had a crazy storm for past few days. Highway 80 and Highway 20 and Highway 49 are closed. We're going to go in between to little towns up on top of ridge here and see if some of the roads have any trees laying in the way, so we can help the communities to clean up the trails. And if we find anybody stuck or in need of help, we'll be out here to help them out. We got 4 vehicles with us, 3 Jeeps and a Toyota 4Runner. Everybody's more than capable to get through the snow, so let's go out there and have some fun. We got water flowing everywhere, and lots of it. And California is a highly dependent state on the water. And when we have these nice wet years, it is really nice to have a lot of water because it refills our reservoirs, and we have water for the rest of the summer when we have a 0 rain through the months of May to October. So that's a lot of months that we rely on water. Well, we're coming up on 2,800 feet, and Winter Wonderland is starting to show on the trees and the ground. We got a little dusting of snow, but that's just the beginning. We had snow yesterday down to 2,500 feet, and anything above 3,000 is gonna have a good, decent snow. Fresh snow, because the rains prior to this washed everything out up to like 5,000 feet. So we'll see if we'll make it to 5,000 feet today. It'll be interesting to see how deep of a snow we'll find. Beautiful Malakoff Diggings Park. Old historic little town, but we are taking a different way out of here. Fresh powder from last night. Right now it's pretty wet snow, but I'm hoping that soon the temperature will drop and we'll get into some more powdery snow. We made it into some untouched snow. Looks very tight, but it's actually really a wide road. It's just, it looks so amazing and narrow here. Somebody's complaining about their paint job on their Jeeps. Well, that's why you don't get a mall crawler out in the woods. Keep your mall crawlers to the mall parking lot.
О, давай немножко, еще. О, блин, that's close. Окей, давай, едь, прям, не давай назад. Старайся левее. Давай, ты приезжаешь. Молодец, красавец.
We're slowly making up to 5,000. We're already at 4,400 feet. Still about 6 inches of snow, fresh powder. The trail is untouched, which is awesome. The only thing is there's a creek running right down this road, and it's a little bit washed out in the center, but it's not bad. It's a beautiful winter wonderland, that's for sure. Looks like it's starting to snow a little bit. There's no wind, but we got some snow falling down. And that's one thing I like about snow wheeling is you can get any road that is open year-round with some snow on it, becomes an awesome snow wheeling trail. Yep, it's starting to snow, and we are in the winter wonderland. About a foot of snow over here, but the snow is very heavy because it rained before it snowed, so all the trees are covered in this heavy snow. So come on, little guy, you can survive this winter. Yep.
И все равно втащил.
Давай, свой Бафор, там шоу у тебя есть. Nice.
Я боком до вас заеду.
Давай. Well, we made it to some fresh, untouched snow, right around 5,000 feet, and yeah, it's pretty deep. We're about, I would say, 1.5 feet, and we're compacting half of it, so the tires are only sinking about 1 foot down. Not bad, and it's snowing. It's amazing. I gotta wait for the Slopo Wranglers. to catch up to me, and we're gonna be going up there, which is gonna bring us out to Graniteville Road, and from there we're gonna try to get down to Washington, so we'll see. But yeah, fresh powder is awesome. There's the Slowpos, they're catching up. They're having some fun in the fresh powder. Amazing. We haven't had this kind of snow wheeling in a while, where you have snow falling and it's not in terms of rain. It's actually pretty dry snow. It's low 30s right now, and it's dropping as we go up. So, and we're gonna see some dry snow, hopefully. But the trees look amazing. We are not quite at the 5,000 feet. So far, we did not encounter any major trees on the road that would block the road, but we are on the way towards Graniteville, and the road hasn't been untouched, which means nobody driven in or out. So we'll see if there's any obstacles for people to get in and out. And we are gonna try to clear the road if there is anything, until we turn off onto another road that goes down. Let's see how far we can make it. We're not even deflated low enough. We're about 10 psi. The white Jeep right here is on like 7 to 8 psi, but he's on Milestar Patagonias, which sidewalls are pretty thick, so they don't flex as much as KO2s. So basically, he's digging pretty good, but there is some old snow underneath here, because I can see when he breaks through the crust, he's digging up some old snow right there. And there's a track in the way in front of him. He's just driving in the old track. Yeah, give it some more RPMs, dude. There you go, there you go. Yeah, it looks awesome. Well, I found some deep snow. Yep.
Куда цеплять?
Through the pipe. You need этот савчаку.
Сейчас он принесет веревку.
I hope this bumper is mounted properly.
We're gonna check it.
We're gonna find out.
Про себя ты еще будешь.
Давай, Илюша, пробуй.
Ты накрывай не можешь.
Piece of cake.
Hold on, I'll just check the gap between
It looks like the bumper survived. Gap's the same?
the Smithy build, man.
Smithy built, yep. All right. Woo, it's starting to snow a lot more. Let's go have some lunch. Well, we're making pretty good progress, but we are pushing some deep snow. My bumper is pushing the snow already, so that means we're into 3 feet territory, and I'm struggling on 37s on 5 psi. That means we're getting close to some good stuff, and we're only at 5,100 feet. So there's a turnoff to a Spanish Mine Road that will lead us back down to little town of Washington, and that's our goal, is to make this little loop today. Becoming a blizzard condition. We made a turn off onto Spanish Mine Road from the Graniteville Road, and we're gonna be going down towards Washington, and there's still a ton of snow over here. What, 5,000 feet, and that's already 12:30, about lunchtime. So we're gonna find a good spot to have some lunch and continue on down below. All right, we made it to a little turn off the main road, and we set up camp to have some lunch. Not really camp, just set up place. It's a beautiful area. It's slightly below 5,000, and it's kind of cold, but I would say it's like 30, 31. I don't think it's colder than that, but it's somewhat snowing, raining, and it's very nice. Everybody made it. No problems with tires debeating or anything like that. Snow is very nice and fresh. Alex does pretty good, while Tanya's Jeep is in shop getting a new kitchen built. We're out here having fun with friends, so hopefully it'll be done before our next camping trip. That way we can show you guys the kitchen setup up close and full complete use. So it's awesome. All right, let's go eat and then continue on the trail. To have some lunch, chat with friends, be around a little bit of fire, but now it's time to get back on the road and battle this through till we get down the hill. Is amazing. The trees are bending under the weight of the wet, heavy snow that was over the night, and then it's all froze and snow accumulated on top, and it's just the most amazing scene when you drive through these narrow roads and the trees are just falling in. It looks amazing. All right, looks like we found our first trail cleanup spot. There's a little tree across the road. Woo! Fully covered in snow. Alright, looks like we gotta cut that one because that one broke. Getting out towards civilization, and there should be a lot less snow down here.
Что там, дерево?
We are going down some steep roads. Look at the canyon down below. That's pretty steep going down right there. It's called rapid descent. Going down the hill. Closer to the little town of Washington, and there's no more snow on the road. There's just a very rotted out road with a lot of creek water running through it, so we had to inflate the tires a little bit from 4 psi up to 15, not to damage the sidewalls of the tires. So soon we're gonna cross the little river and we'll be in the little town of Washington. We made it out to pavement. It is dumping snow right now, down at 3,000 feet. So we're gonna hit the road and try to get back in town before it gets too dark, because that's gonna be a pretty long drive for us with current conditions. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next adventure. Don't forget to check out our merch store to get your own shirts and hoodies. Thanks for watching. See ya.